is a McDonald's vending machine made entirely out of Lego. The machine dispenses the choice of a burger, a drink, or a combination of both. This time we're ordering both a Big Mac and a Coca-Cola drink. If a customer tries to pay with coins lesser in value than $2, they are rejected by the coin system. This is achieved by taking advantage of the sizing of the coins. Only $2 has a large enough thickness and diameter to pass over the gaps. The $2 coins are then detected by a proximity sensor and $2 is subtracted from the amount due. After paying the amount due, the food is then dispensed to the customer. The burgers are dispensed using one large motor. This motor controls the back and forth movement of a module that pushes the burger boxes out of the machine. The customer can then collect a cup and place it underneath the Coca-Cola faucet. While we are waiting for the drink to fill up, let's take a look at how it works. When the touch sensor is held down, a motor turns 3 pneumatic pumps that push air into an airtight bottle. This displaces the liquid inside the bottle and causes it to come out of the tube placed above the drink cup. The lights are powered by a PowerFunctions battery box. They are controlled using 2 medium motors that uncover and cover the lights to turn them on and off. Touch sensors below keep track of the customer's selection while also controlling the 2 medium motors. The Coke can be refilled by unscrewing the cap and removing the tubes. After successfully filling up the Coke bottle, it can be put back in the machine. The Big Macs can be stacked on top of each other above the dispensing mechanism. The owner's profits can also be collected from the coin drawer. Let's place an order one more time to see this all working together. This time we are only going to order a burger. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our other upcoming content.